Hey folks, it's Jared Mannanen from the website TahoeTrailGuide.com. Well, we got a little bit of snow here. Pretty wet and sticky. And it ain't gonna last long. This is like the only snow in the next 10 days. But hey, it's beautiful out here. Just wanted to let you know that I'm still keeping the dream alive and trying to get on snow and slide around a little bit. So hopefully you guys have some good snow where you're at, because it's been pretty slim pickings here in Tahoe. Way different than last year, but you know, as I've been talking with a bunch of people I know, friends and whatnot, there really isn't normally a back-to-back massive snow years. It's usually like one big snow year, and then the following year is either less than normal, somewhere thereabouts. It's seldom two big winters after each other. So I'm still crossing my fingers that we have a normal snow, or a normal winter I should say. Holy cow, this is sticky snow. Anyway, take care. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for all your support.